making an unboxing video. Oh, that's perfect. Wow, what a beautiful little scene. I got this leather pouch. It's really nice. The touch is like incredible. It's a little pouch. It's the Beard Club. Look at your beard. But the real shit is, I got like a bald spot right there. I want to take care of it. Okay. This is like really cool. This is the coolest part. This is why I started the video. I wanted to flex this shit right here. Like, look at it. It's just like, that's just like, it's just nice. Like, I couldn't even like tell you why I feel like how I feel about it. It's just like, you don't see that. That's not normal. It's really cool. It's like a beard. It's supposed to be a beard, I'm guessing. So it comes with some growth vitamins. So I just pop these, and naturally my body is gonna grow it a bit. I asked on the Facebook post. I seen this on Facebook after I purchased it. So I asked somebody in the Facebook comments. I was saying, oh, like it makes it grow like wherever. So I said, well, what happens if you put it on your forehead? You feel me? So I grabbed the shampoo. I guess it'll keep it clean, of course. I'm throwing all this shit in the pouch, by the way. That's what it's for. What is this? This is the vitamin spray. This is the vitamins. Well, I don't know how to use it, but like, am I supposed to spray it on my hands? It says spray facial hair generously and massage the beard. Okay, so this is once you have the beard, you spray it, keeps it nice. It's vitamins to keep your shit healthy. I wonder if I put it on my little baby stash. Now here we go. Here's the arithmetic. Growth oil. This mixed with the vitamins. This is gonna get my shit growing. So I'm guessing, let me read the instructions. So it says pour like a dime amount into your hand and just massage that shit around your face. So, you know, I cleaned my face this morning. I did a little routine. And pour it into my palm. A little bit. Ooh. Beautiful. It's like this soap. Oh, this just feels I don't know if you wear it in public, cause like now I'm like, it's greasy. Comes with a nice little brush too. That's good. And then yeah, that's the party.